Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 1, Galaksi, and we will presentation about the strategy of Mate 7 Monsoonsim. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our team. My name is ALIDA PUTRI AINI, and also there are Purwati, ISTIQOMAH, and ERNA PURNAMASARI. First module is retail. In retail's module, we open 3 areas. They are Jakarta, Manila, and Vietnam. For the location, first we set on 100 meters every city. And if the location area is almost full, we will increase the location area. And if the area is so large, we will reduce the area. And we also setting the prices not too high. We can see for forecast module to see retail demand for holiday day to decide the price. And also we can see the demand of inventory for retail in every location. The inventory always sent from warehouse. On first day after we will book location, we will book the inventory. We send inventory from warehouse in large number. The second module is marketing. We always setting marketing by looking at the amount of inventory. When there is a lot of inventory, the marketing expense is also high.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is ERNA Purnamasari, just call me ERNA. Student ID number 2981. Here I will explain the strategy of the e-commerce module. The e-commerce module is a module that is used to make buying and selling transactions between teams. Not only between teams, but also to other clients. The strategy used in the e-commerce model is the speed at which customers want to order. The next strategy is the speed of the packaging process so that it is not late for delivery. Next, business to business or B2B model. Business to business or B2B is direct selling with business customer in less number or well sales. The strategy used is to select the part of the deal of increase the company's cash. After the deal has been made, we can choose in the bid section. In this section, we have to consider the price for winning the tender. The last strategy is to make sure that when we choose bid or deal, there are enough goods at warehouse or retail.
Next module for warehouse. Strategy in the warehouse module. At the beginning of the game, we opened a location in Malaysia with an area of 2,000 meters square with a lease without discount. And for inventory, we prioritize the purchase of finished products at the beginning because to fill the warehouse stock by purchasing 40,000 products, and furthermore, the warehouse buys raw material supplies by producing the cheapest price by purchasing on credit because of the lack of cash on hand. And next, we move or transfer goods from warehouse to retail in order to minimize the purchase of finished product from vendors. Next, products and maintenance module. First, in the production module at the beginning of the game, we buy a machine because the production capacity is an assessment, so we increase production. And next, then we bought up to 3 machines because we feel that the inventory was sufficient. So we discussed one machine that still had a high book value. And last, for maintenance, we set it with a set period.
Hello everyone, my name is Purwati. Now I will explain about Human Research Module and Service Module. The first is Human Research Module. The Human Research module is used as a way for human research or labor in every department in a company. The strategy used in the Human Research Module is speed in dealing with employee problems. To overcome the status issue 1 and issue 2, we conduct counseling, while for status issue 3 and resigning, we do training. The next strategy is when an employee resigns, how to find a replacement based on availability and staff competency. And then the last strategy is to avoid laying off employees. The next is service module. The strategy applied in the service module is to take as many bids as possible and prioritize bids with a minimum bidder of 1 to minimize cancel order. Another strategy is to try to be fast in picking up orders and clicking on the requested day as bid is really needed in the module. Therefore, when match 7, as much as possible all members participate in the transaction. The last strategy is to set prices that are not too high to avoid canceling order and not too low. Okay everyone, that's all for our group. So thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.